Hello everyone and welcome to Tek Coder Rewind 2023, and in this video I will be showing the best moments of this channel in the year 2023.
In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you could create a maze game in Scratch. This is episode 1.
Hello everyone, welcome to another Scratch tutorial. This is episode 4 and the final. Hello everyone, welcome to a new series in which I will be showing you how to make a fish clicker game in Scratch. Hello everyone, welcome to another Scratch tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a painting application in Scratch. So let's get started. In today's episode, we will be adding shop pages so that we can have more upgrades. As you can see, I don't have space to make more upgrades. So due to this, we are going to create the shop pages in this episode. Hello everyone, welcome to episode 7 on how to make a fish clicker game in Scratch. In episode 6, we created achievements for our game. So in this episode, we will be adding a title screen for the fish clicker game. Hello everyone, welcome to another Scratch tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you could create a health bar in Scratch. Hello everyone, welcome to another Scratch series. In this series, I will be showing you how you could create an amazing shooter game in Scratch. Hello everyone, welcome to another Scratch tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you could turn this normal light mode in Scratch to a dark mode. Let's get started. So this will basically. Hello everyone, welcome to another Scratch tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can create a tic-tac-toe game. So welcome to another Scratch tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you could create a platforming game in Scratch. So this is a new series. I created Flappy Bird in one sprite. Here's how it went. You should enable these Scratch add-ons now. Make sure you have the Scratch add-ons extension installed. Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you could create a special key detector in Scratch. In this video, AI will be giving me code to make a Scratch game. I will be using ChatGPT. Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you could create a terrain generator in Scratch. Let's get started. Thank you all so much for the support and happy 2024.